Well, this is not going to be the top quality. It's lower quality just because I'm trying to get something up to show a little bit what we got going on this morning. I've got a lot of videos that I'm gonna have to get better signal area, so I had to load this basically at lower quality. I'm pointing out the Quentin Craig Harris vessels coming down. Those that know me know that I grew up with Quint, grew up with his brother back in Southwest Oklahoma when he started out before, and I've known Quint literally all my life. So anyway, from Hobart, went to the prom with Danielle, his wife, back in '87, and I grew up basically with Quint's younger brother. I'll stay classy, showing my socks off there, of course. But anyway, the Quint died here a few years back, and they renamed the boat after him. And so I just saw that boat coming down, and I know his parents appreciate that. So, yeah, and we've got a lot of river delay here where it's Cummyville had the river shut down, and so there's a lot of traffic delay around this area. So we're just hanging tight here this morning, waiting on traffic to clear up so we can get back underway northbound. That being said, I want to get something up quick. So this is lower quality. It's going to be, yeah, not. I will upload best quality when I get better signal, either later today or down the road, But I've got a lot of footage, y'all. I've been getting lots of stuff. It's just, like I said the other day on those videos, we kind of in. It's a little bit thinner cell phone service area around here. It's not quality, so it takes me a long time to upload some of these high quality videos. That's why I said this one's not the highest of quality, but it was just that I could, I gotta step out. Of course, my selfie videos waving. But I saw the Quint Harris coming down and thought, well, that's a good opportunity to go get some footage of the Quint. And definitely, since I'm very familiar with the family, and yeah, I'm just really enjoying posting the YouTube stuff. Like I say, I've got a lot of great footage that I will post when I'm in better areas, and it'll be best quality and all that. So, but yeah, we're at Henrico Bar here, right above mouth of the White River, where the Arkansas River feeds into the Mississippi. We're just above it, about a couple of miles down below the turn. But I saw the Quint Harris coming down and thought, well, I'll get some footage of the Quentin Craig Harris, and so that's kind of what this is. And just to give a little preview of the stuff that I've got quite a bit of footage, like I say, with the drone, and just some of my regular footage where I'm ranting and raving about stuff from the wheelhouse or whatever. So anyway, just enjoy. I figure I'd do a little voiceover just to let y'all know I'm definitely, like I said, there'll be a lot of very good content, man. I've been enjoying this trip. It's given me a little bit more freedom to, a little time and stuff. The workload's a lot lighter, so I'm able to kind of focus, on some of this YouTube stuff and get some really great footage. Having the drone this trip's been fun. Hadn't crashed it in the water yet, obviously, so we'll see how it goes. But here's the Quentin Craig Harris, named after, like I said, my buddy. And don't be too judgmental, y'all. I was actually buddies with his younger brother more than I was Quint until when I worked for Dewey in the office at WK in the late '90s, and he was working for Buck Lay in the office in Paducah. Quint and I got to be a lot closer then, but like I said, we've known each other, our families know each other, and and Danielle and I actually went to the prom together. His widow, his widow now. We dated for a while, which caused a little friction between me and Quint early on, and back in our younger days. But I miss my old buddy, man. Miss my old buddy. I stay in contact with his brother and his family still, and Danielle also. So, yeah, just great folks, man. And anyway, I know some folks that have worked with and around Quint may have a different view of him, but I've known him I knew him all his life, and yeah, like I say, tragically he died in a motorcycle accident some years ago. So yeah, I really think it's neat that Marquette renamed that vessel after Quint, because I I would not have started in this industry if not for Quint. He led us bunch of us little Southwest Oklahoma farm boys from Hobart, Oklahoma, got our start on the Mississippi River because of Quint. So I've always really been appreciative of that. But rest in peace, my buddy. And there's the vessel named after him. So, and as you see coming past us there, yeah, just a little voiceover to tell what's going on and let y'all know this. I did lower quality so I can get it up. Get the video up and kind of show y'all a little bit of what I got going on. But I've got some really great footage, and I'll post it when I get better signal area. Hope this will tide y'all over until then. But enjoy.